If you have a brand new account, straight into PMax, yes or no?
Yes, but
It depends.
I'll drop this here for everyone. Here's a little gold nugget. I can read it out. How it breaks down of 100% of your daily ad spend. So 25% performance max, 25% DSA, 20% inbound general, 5% RLSA, DSA, 5% YouTube remarketing, 10% YouTube, and 10% discovery. And those will give you a good top of funnel cold traffic campaign. It'll give you a good bottom of the funnel conversion, and it's going to give you a diversity enough to start with those and then adjust as your DSA. And I got your chat, so it's perfect. And the DSA, RLSA is going to adjust as needed along with the YouTube remarketing. So those 5% you're starting with are only starting with because you have a brand new account and your remarketing lists aren't big enough to be utilized yet. So those are kind of placeholders. And then as soon as you see them kick in and they start, because you have at least 100 or at least 1,000 match users, those will start and then adjust the budgets as needed. So that is my recommendation for the starting off with PMax. Yes, add some other things in there as well, and then adjust as needed. But that's a good foundation.